Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Mariam again, and today we are making donuts, and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's begin. In a bowl, I add 400 grams of soft flour. Please remember to sieve your flour, okay? So add 3 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and then I go ahead and mix everything together. If you're using active yeast, please remember to prove it first before you go ahead and use it, okay? So then go ahead and add 60 grams of margarine, and this is salted margarine. That is why I use half teaspoon of salt. So if you're using unsalted margarine or unsalted butter, then you have to make your salt 1 teaspoon instead of the half, okay? So I'm going to rub in the margarine till I get something like a breadcrumbs. All right there, this is what we want. So I then go ahead and make something like a well in between like this, and then add 150 ml of evaporated milk and go ahead and stir everything together. And I'm doing this with my spatula, okay? So I'll be adding my water little by little till I get the dough that I want. And when it comes to the type of flour we use for this particular recipe, it's either hard flour or all-purpose flour, but I didn't get any. What I had is soft flour, and I have ever used soft flour for this, and it actually came out well, so I'm not afraid. So what we are going to do next is to dust our board with flour. This is just to prevent the dough from sticking on the board. And then we go ahead and knead our dough. If you have a mixer, this will be easy for you. There's no need to go through all this wahala. But if you don't have it like me, then you don't have any option than to do this, okay? All right there, perfect. So to know that your dough is well kneaded, you have to stretch it small to see if it doesn't tear. That means that yeah, you have actually done a great job, and that means that we have also done a great job here. So I mold all into one ball like fufu, okay, like fufu in Ghana here. And then I get my mixing bowl right here. I pour in some amount of oil, not too much, okay? This is just to prevent the dough from sticking in the bowl. All right there, so I then cover it. I'm going to place this under the sun for at least 45 minutes. It's already 45 minutes and we are back. It has actually increased in size, but then it's still hard because the yeast is not done doing its magic. We are going to cut this into the shapes that we want. After that, we will send it back under the sun again or any warm place for additional 15 minutes or more, okay? I'm using my knife to do the cutting. Okay, so I got my dietary scale here and then set it to 0. All right, perfect. So I'm just doing this for the sake of those who want, their donuts to come out equal sizes. There are some people that equal sizes matters to them, but this is not me, okay? This is not my style. I don't normally care about the sizes. All what I care about is the end product and the taste or the flavor of the product, not just the sizes, okay? So this is 50 grams, and that should be the normal sizes you should cut your donuts, but it all depends on you. If you want bigger sizes, you can increase the grams, or if you want smaller sizes, you can reduce it. So we are done here, lovelies. and I pack all into this bowl. We are going to work on it one by one, so I cover and then set the side. At this point, you work on one and then you shape it anyhow you want it. Normally, anytime that I make donuts, I make it into round shape, okay, like balls. But today I want to try something different. I want to try the ring like ones, like the one they make and then flatten it small and create hole in the middle. That is what I want to do. And my auntie used to have a cutter for this, but we can't find it, so I'll be using my hand, and also with the help of this mini plate I flatten it small like this, okay, and then create the hole. I'm using my index finger to do this. All right, I think we are trying. It's my first time of doing these shapes, okay. I normally do the balls one, but these ones appear more attractive to me, so today I just thought of shaping my donuts like that, okay. But just like I said, it's my first time, so in case there are any error in it, please forgive me, guys. This is oil I'm using here, so I flatten it small like this, okay, and then create my hole. If you're using cutter, it will be just simple for you. All you need to do is to use your rolling pin. You roll your dough and then use the cutter to cut it, and the shape will come out perfectly. But because we don't have it right now, I will be using my hand, and then later on I get one for myself. So lovelies, we are done here. I'm going to cover it and then send it under the sun again for at least 15 minutes, okay. So wait for me, I will be back. And I am back, guys, so let's check. Okay, they have double in sizes, and I think my tray is too small. I should have used a bigger one. So let's begin the frying process. Exercise patience for your oil to be well heated, and we are doing this on medium heat. Please guys, don't try it on high heat, okay. Hello lovelies, our donuts are ready, and look at how yummy they are looking, and also trust me, the taste is also amazing. Please follow my quantities and you get a very nice donuts. And just like I said, I use soft flour instead of hard flour, and the difference is just that the hard flour make it a little bit chewy because of the gluten content. Besides that, there's no any other difference, and trust me, it tastes really good. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video, and also don't forget to share it. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Kansamita, annyeong.